There's only 1 day left on the 2-week wait. How are you feeling?
I woke up feeling actually okay. And my first thought was like, I have to get up and I have to go test.
What's triggering you to want to test?
I don't know, because usually I guess I feel like I...
Okay, go ahead.
How are you feeling?
Tired.
Tired? Girl, me too. Me too.
You better turn. Question is, why are we still testing?
I don't know. I guess it's like an automatic thing. And I guess because I'm waiting to see these 2 lines, because when I Google says it's still too early. So I don't know. I'm just,
So there could be some major changes in 24 hours.
Could possibly.
So this is 13 days past insemination.
I would take